Welcome to Jumia Academy. In this video, we'll talk about Jumia Express. Jumia Express is a service that stores your products in Jumia warehouses. It helps you reach a larger number of customers because it assists in your appearance on the Jumia website with the Jumia Express tag and its special search filter, along with more advantages like fast delivery and easy selling. This will keep your store's shipping speed rating high, eliminate order cancellations, and ultimately increase sales and reduce costs like packaging, since with Jumia Express, you only pay storage fees. You simply send your products to Jumia's warehouse, and then Jumia takes care of storage, customer delivery, order packaging, customer service, and returns. How do you create a request to get your products into Jumia warehouses? Open the menu here, select Products Fulfillment by Jumia, Consignment Order, Bulk Creation. Select the country. If you are not eligible to use the service, this message will appear, and you can contact the support for assistance. Note that the service is available if your seller score is 4 or higher. If you are eligible for this service, click on Download your product catalog. Download your product list. The file includes eligible products and contains the Jumia SKU and seller SKU. You add the quantity for each product you want to store and save the Excel file. Then upload it from here. The status here is in progress. You can update it from here. It shows completed. If there's a problem with the file, it will show failed, and you can download a file with the reason for the failure and upload it again. Going back here, you'll find the request number and all its details. And now you're ready for the second stage, which is booking an appointment to deliver your shipment to Jumia warehouses. A video tutorial is available for this process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact the seller support team. Stay tuned for more videos from Jumia Academy.